going on, everyone? This is my Leatherman P4, it's called. It's the free series. I'm going to use my Leatherman Wave to open it. I hope this is it. This is actually used, so let's see what I get. Let's hope it is. Actually, I'm just going to open it. Tear it. Let's see, I never used one of these before. Damn. Hopefully there's no addresses or anything. Oh. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. So Leatherman, the guy that I bought it from, he said he used it once. And he actually bought it for his wife. I never actually looked at one of these. There it is. Let's look at it. Sheath's pretty nice. I don't use sheaths though. It looks pretty freaking new. Pretty cool looking, especially compared to the Wave. This is more squared off. These are like butt cheeks, if you will. Oh, that's cool. So there's actually a magnet here and a here. You can actually feel it connect. Huh. Let's see the knife blade. It's a nice knife blade. Looks pretty brand new. I actually got this for $95, so that's cheap. Let's see how to... Is there a way to... Oh, so you have to push this to disengage. So let's see that again. It actually locks, so that's cool. So you have to push this back to disengage. That's a nice saw. Pretty sharp. I like that. It's like a chisel to scrape things. So I didn't want to pay over $100 since the Wave's 100 or more. I paid $95 with shipping, which isn't bad. It's a nice saw. Kind of weird how it goes like this. And nice scissors. Ooh, I like that. It's springy. Is it hard to deploy these? Let me see. So this is like a, I guess you could ooh, I like that. One-hand it. I like how it clicks too. That's nice. Look at those pliers. It's crazy. It's cool that they put a clip too, a belt clip in there. As opposed to the Wave. It doesn't come with a clip. This is like $150 too, new, so you can see how beefy the pliers are. Interchangeable pliers too. And you got a pretty fine tip. I like it. Feels good. Feels real good. Let's see the inside tools. Oh, there's no inside tools. That's interesting. So like the Wave has all the inside tools, but that doesn't. Huh. You can actually, can you one-hand it? No. There you go. You can one-hand open that. I do it by the belt, but sometimes it hits your knuckle. This is more easy since it's magnetic. Oop. Almost broke the glass. But yeah, so that's cool. I like the feeling of it. Let's see the inside tools. Oh, so you got the knife. Those are the outside. And these, that's cool. So you just hit it. See how there's like a finger grooves? That brings them all out, if you will. So you got a bottle opener, can opener, then you got an awl. I don't even know how they call that, an awl. because it's not really sharp. Usually awls are like pointy at the end. Then you got a ruler and a wire stripper. The ruler reminds me of the Leatherman wingman. Let me see. Actually, that locks. Huh. So they do lock, the inside tools. But let's see. If you go to the wingman, you got the ruler here. So this is the wingman on the left. It's pretty similar, but this has a file on the back. This does not. You can use the top as like a flat screwdriver. Yeah, what was the last tool? I like that you can just do that and they all flip out. Oh, the last tool is a file. Kind of a dainty file. I don't really like that. As opposed to the waves. The waves, you got a freaking huge file. Oop. I already broke it. No. I'm going to test this everyday carry. But the wave kills it. Look at that. You got a diamond file, wood metal file, and another file. This, you got this dainty file. Not my fave. And then on this side, I like how you just do that. That's cool. Okay, so you got, ooh, that's like a package opener kind of. And a flat screwdriver. And then you got a 3D Phillips. 2D, 3D. Pretty nice. I wish it came with the 3D screwdriver Phillips that the rebar has. But so the outside tools, let's compare those. You got the knife there, and you got the knife here. They're both 420 HC. I like the shape of this one, the waves over the free. I'll have to use it just to see. It is pretty easy to manipulate though. I see what people are talking about. This one, the saw, different shape. This goes like up, that's cool. And this one goes kind of down. Looks like about the same size too. I've never even touched one of these before, so I was just interested. Serrated blade is pretty badass. I give it that. Where can I see? You can feel the serrated blade on this one. You can't on this one. So you know what tool it is. On the wave, this is the serrated blade. Actually looks longer. The wave looks longer. I like this blunt end though. You could use that as a chisel. That is cool. But the waves looks longer. Just a totally different tool. That's cool. Spring-loaded pot. The scissors actually kill it compared to the waves. Let me see the waves. This is a second generation wave too. Yeah. Look how big that is compared. The springs are so much better too on the Free P4. Well guys, I'm gonna have to use this for a while just to see how I like it. It's pretty cool, the frame and everything. I like the clip too. That's cool. Hit my knuckle. There's no inside tools, which I'm so used to that with the wave. It feels good. Yeah, so I'll have to see how, it's like a butterfly knife, how it closes. I'll break it in. I'll have to see how it goes over time. See if I like it better than the wave. But, well, thanks guys for watching. I like this blade. Huh. This is the Leatherman Free P4. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys subscribe and have a fantastic day. Take care.